This is my video for the ankle taping. I'm going to start by laying down my pre-wrap. Then I'm going to apply 3 anchors at the top, and I'm going to overlap these pieces each by about half the width of the first piece of tape. Finish up with that, and then I'm going to apply the distal anchor. And then I'm going to apply my 3 stirrups, and I'm going to go from medial to lateral. And then I'll do 3 of these. And then once I've laid down 3 of the stirrups, I'm going to lock those in. And now I'm going to apply 3 horseshoes. I'm going to start at the bottom of the heel, and then I'm going to just work my way up from there. Again, I'm laying 3 of these down. Then once I have my 3 horseshoes laid down, I'm going to move into my heel locks. I'm going to be doing 4 of these heel locks, and then each time I'm going to alternate. So I'm going behind, and then I'll always end up where I started. So I have 1 on each side, so I'll finish off 1 more on each side, alternating. There's my last one. And now I'm going to apply my figure 8s. I'm going to do 2 of these. And then here's my second figure 8. And then I'm going to finish the application by locking in. Then I'm going to start at the top and close everything in from the top of the ankle to the bottom of the foot. Once I add my last piece, that will be the end of my ankle taping application. And this is my finished taping.